Experiencing screen freezes, lag, or glitches in your Mazda 6's infotainment system? Let's get it sorted. First, identify the issue. Is it a minor freeze, persistent unresponsiveness, or software errors after an update? For minor issues, try a soft reboot. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This restarts the system without data loss and often resolves simple freezes. Remember that most issues with the infotainment system can be resolved with a simple reset. Don't take it to a shop right away. If soft rebooting does not fix the issue, proceed to Section 2. If a soft reboot doesn't resolve the issue, you'll need a hard reset. This involves disconnecting the car's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear more persistent errors. As a last resort, perform a factory reset to restore the system to its original state. This requires a USB drive with Mazda's reset tool, available for download from their official website. Always perform resets while parked with the engine off to ensure safety. For 2025 models with advanced driver assistance systems, a reset may temporarily disable lane keeping and other features, potentially requiring professional recalibration.